Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction of numbers in standard form. Addition and subtraction of numbers in standard form. Okay, so our first example, we're going to look at a question that says, work out 8,1 times 10 times 10 to the power 6 plus 2,5 times 10 to the power 5. So what you can do is this. You can change 10 to the power 6 into an ordinary number without a power, and you can also change 10 to the power 5 to 100,000. So this one becomes 8,1 or 8.1 million, because our comma is going to move 6 places to the right, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then 2,5 times 100,000 is gonna be 250,000. Our comma is going to move 5 places to the right, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can add 8,100,000 to 250,000, and here you're going to get 8,350,000. So now to change your answer to standard form, you want your comma there, which means it's going to be 8,35 times 1 million, because the place value of this 8 is 8 million, right? So our final answer will be 8,35 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, I'm going to look at another question, but this time I'm going to look at subtraction. The question says 8 times 10 to the power 4 minus 6 times 10 to the power 3. So this is 8 times 10,000 minus 6 times 1,000, and here you get 80,000 minus, and here you get 6,000. If you subtract 6,000 from 80,000, you're going to get 74,000, and the 7 in 74, the place value is 70,000. It's under 10,000s, which means it's going to be 7,4 times 10,000, which is equal to 7,4 times 10 to the power 5 times 10 to the power 5. Okay, I'm going to look at yet another example. under addition, say you have a question that says 7 times 10 to the power minus 3 plus 6 times 10 to the power minus 4. So here there are many ways of doing the same thing, but I'm going to do it this way. Let's say this one is times 1 over 10 to the power 3. And this one is times 1 over 10 to the power 4. So this is 7 over 1000 plus 6 over 10,000. And if you convert this to decimals, you will know that the number of zeros is equal to the number of decimal places. So this one will be 0,07, and you have got 1, 2, 3 decimal places, which tallies with the number of zeros here. And this one will be 0,0006. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So now if you add this 0,0007 plus 0,0006, here you can put a placeholder. This one becomes 6, 7, 0, 0, like that. So now you want to put your comma there. So when you put your comma there, we are saying, let's write it this way. I'm going to write it here, 7, 6. So we say this one is under 1/10th, this one is under 100th, and this one is under 1000th, and this one is under 10,000th. So what it means is you're multiplying this one by 1 over 10,000, which is the place value of that 7. So you say 7,6 times 1 over 10 to the power 5, and if you find the reciprocal of 1 over 10 to the power 5, your answer becomes 7,6 times 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, we are going to look at another example under subtraction. Say we have a question that says 8 times 10 to the power minus 2 minus 3 times 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equal to 8 times 1 over 10 to the power 2 minus, this is 3 times 1 over 10 to the power 3, and this is equal to 8 over 100 minus, this is 3 over 1000. And if we change these two fractions to decimals, you are going to see the number of zeros is equal to the number of decimal places, which is 0,08 in this case. Number of zeros the same as the number of decimal places is going to be 0,003. And if we subtract this one, subtract 0,003 from 0,08, this is what you get here. You borrow, and this one you get 7. Here it will be 1, and you say 8 minus 1, you get 7, and here 0, 0. And when you consider the place values, this is 10th, this is 100th, and this is 1000th. So it means if you put a comma there between 7 and 7, you're going to have 7 comma 7 times the place value of this 7, which is 1000th. And here you're going to get 7 comma 7 times 1 over 10 to the power 3. And if you find the reciprocal of 1 over 10 to the power 3, you're going to get 7 comma 7 times 10 to the power minus 3. So that will be your final answer. And as you can see, this is in standard form, and this answer also is in standard form, and this one also standard form, and this one also is in standard form. So I just want you to go through these examples and then try to attempt the questions that I'm going to give to you. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.